Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to block and unblock the number from the contacts in your Realme 14 Pro Plus. So to the separation, go to phone, and you can set up the reset. Click on some contact from this list and click and hold it. And as you see, you can block or report the spam from this number. Yep, that's it. And then now the contact is already blocked. If you wish, you can unblock it by clicking right this and click the unblock for this number. Yep. When you get the block this number, you will also get the block numbers list here. And as you see, this number is already here. You can also delete from here to unblock. And that's it for now. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!